So, you guys might be wondering, Cam Jam, why are you in our cemetery?
Are you seeing another dead person?
Well, on today's Cam Jam adventures, we are not. For once in a million years. So, we are actually at the filming location for the ending scene for The Girl in the Train at Greenwood Cemetery in Brooklyn, New York. So I'm going to try and chase her steps here as best as I can. So, when we start getting the side view, she's walking up this way, past Abdul here. And then, this is the one that gave it away to me, at least. Was this one right here. This is the one that she walks nearby, is Kirkham. And, don't worry, guys. If you guys want to know where the marker was, don't worry, I have you covered. So she starts from here and walks over here. And I'm going to put my in here. So she walks like this. Which I don't know why she would be walking from this way. And she walks over to William Mead here. And she just stares down at this one place. Now, this, my guys, see this blank spot, like where the grass is dying-ish? This is where Megan's, whatever her last name was, his fake gravestone was, that they put. So just to show you, I'm probably off by a little bit. But I don't think I am that much. Because she literally stands here. I'll play the video. Okay. So now we're going to track the steps again. This time I'm actually going to use the girl on the train. Okay. So now I'm going to use the girl on the train. So we're going to... So she starts walking up this way. So and then she passes... What's that face? Sorry, ma'am. She passes this woman statue. So as you can, I don't know, probably not the glare, but you can see that she walks past this statue. Okay, that's where we get this path where people are walking. And then she went through this one, I'm pretty sure. No, that's a different one. Huh? Okay, it's confusing. So, so where they're filming from is actually from behind this one, because this is the top. So that means that they're filming from over here when she's walking over there. So then, let's see. If she walks past the big monument, trying to see what the top of it looks like. Okay. Then she passes this one. Okay, and then so from the view from the grate, you can see this one in the background, kind of. That means that she walks over from over here, all the way past Kirkham, and walks over here, and over this way. So then that is what it looks like. That's going to have to be a wrap because we're not in the direction. Bye-bye. James A. William Lee.